Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I am here. Happy Saturday. Man, I've been in my studio all day. And you know what? It feels good. It's been a while since I've been in the studio creating, and I wanted to show you guys what I've been up to and kind of make a continuation of what I was doing with my beads. So I've decided, as you can see, these I showed you in the previous video where I decided to put some beads on the ends and make them into pendants, or they can be earrings. We'll see. I haven't played around beyond the pendant idea, and that's because I'm really loving these pendants. So Father's Day is coming soon, and I do have a limited number of these beads. So if you're interested in having any of these beads, I want you to reach out ASAP because very limited. But I wanted to show you, the link will be below, by the way. I want to show you what I have done. So this one, I mean, these are just stained, right? They have different color stains, and this is just me creating in my studio. This is how I decided to color them, right? Metallic copper, some gold, and some black. And each one of these beads will fit on a 1mm cord. This bracelet is made out of elastic cord, which is a 1mm cord. So you should be fine with that or anything smaller. I tried it with wire. There's the wire. I think this is 18 gauge. Let me look. Yeah, 18 gauge, which is also 1mm. So if you decide to use wire, 18 gauge will be fine. Anything smaller, 20 gauge, anything like that will work. So while I was creating this bracelet, I was thinking, wow, you know, this is going to be limitless options to use these beads. And I wanted to show you something else. First of all, let me just tell you, each one of these beads are two pieces. I don't know if you can see that. Two pieces of wood, and one of them is engraved deeply to create the whole. Right? So let me see if I can find one that's not put together. Here we go. So here's one and the second piece, and basically they go together like that, glued. So these pieces are labor intensive for me, so it's a limited number. If you want any of these, you gotta let me know ASAP, because I'm not necessarily going to make any more. And when I say any of them, I mean the ones that are painted. I'm not gonna be making any more stained ones, but I will show you what I am going to do. So these two get glued. You put glue on this side and this side. Do not put it inside the hole. And then you let it sit. So that's how these were created. Right? Whoops. Yeah, I did it backwards. So that's how these were created. And I loved doing it. But again, they're labor intensive. However, I do have them. I put 12 on a string here. If you're interested, I'm gonna put a link down below so that you can purchase. And I only have a limited number. Okay? So there's that, but I do have some DIY beads for you. All right, so if you want them, here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to make them available in two pieces, raw, unfinished wood, cut for you to put them together yourself and make your own beads. Okay, now that is better than me creating and charging an arm and a leg to put the glue on, have it dry, stain it, yada yada yada. You can stain these any way you want. They're already cut. So that's what I'm offering. Okay, I'm gonna have a package of, I don't know how many yet, on my website. The link will be below for these as well. So you can literally take the piece, glue it, let it dry. It's always nice to have some clamps or something that you can squeeze them with, hold them dry, right? Binder clips work. Go to the dollar store if you have any, and let them sit. And then as long as you haven't clogged up that hole, you should be able to use them and put them on a bracelet, put them on a charm, make a necklace if you want. It's up to you. So that's what I am doing in the studio today. I hope you guys like what I've just shown you. And if you're excited like I am about the DIY mask beads, so you can make your own. You can stain them whatever color you want. I just happen to use these 3 colors. Look at that. Do whatever you want with them. All right, guys, I am gonna go back in here, get off this video because it's about to storm out here in Atlanta. And I hope you guys are creating something amazing. See you soon. Bye.